So we've been working with the TS student for about 2 months now. She went from the first session being able to do a digispan and working memory of a preschooler, and now she's working solidly in the second grade level. So that's awesome. I need to give her a lot of support to be able to function at that level, however. I have to help her with developing stories and also help to point out patterns in the sequencing that we're doing in order for her to succeed. The memorization processing is very slow, so learning the new material is difficult. The execution is actually pretty on par, maybe slightly behind grade level, but not too bad, really. When she's executing the patterns, she does pretty well as far as her processing speed. So that's good. One thing that's really been baffling and challenging has been her almost extreme inability to recognize patterns. When she started with me 2 months ago, she was able to recognize a pattern of 3 repeating, and now she can recognize a pattern of 5, but 6 is very difficult. And so again, it's just that very slow process of trying to help a student overcome those weak areas. It's very interesting though, if she can split the pattern up, so if I put out 12 blocks, 6 and then repeat 6 of the same colors, she can split that. If she splits it, then she can actually replicate the pattern. But if she just tries to look at the pattern and knows that it starts with a certain color, then she will only repeat, say, 4 of them, and then when she goes to split it up, she splits it up incorrectly. But yeah, so overall, I mean, I think it's going really great. It's just a bit of a slower process than what maybe an average student who just struggles with dyslexia or attention deficit issues might be facing. So anyway, that's my update about 2 months in with my Turner syndrome students.